Hello there, Robert again here. You may have remembered me from a previous project that Bullrun Kitchen and Bath completed for us. As the name goes, kitchen and bath, we started with Bullrun. They completed our kitchen about 3 years ago. And here we are on the phase 2 of our project where they have completed our bath. And here we're going to showcase some of the quality work as they continue to do for us and perform. The finishes, the flexibility, the custom level of work that they continue to deliver. We had a great experience with the kitchen and we wanted to continue this relationship. We worked with them on the design, the quality, the material, very flexible, very accommodating. They didn't hesitate to stop where they had to stop, reassess, take a look at the material, take a look at the design, the floors, the cabinets, the walls, the mirrors, the backsplash, the shower area, which you'll see here. Tremendous quality, tremendous work, flexibility, and great value for us. So looked a lot on the internet, just get design ideas, colors, palettes. But from that, I came with this design that you'll see. The details, went to a lot of tile shops to pick the design of the tile, the backsplash, which the mirrors are in. I really wanted something custom. They delivered. It truly is what I envisioned, and my vision has become a reality for us. So the faucets, I did a lot of research. I wanted something classic but unique. So I came across a design out of California called California Faucet. This is their steampunk version of bathroom faucets. So all the hardware that you see is from California Faucets, the shower handle, the valves, the bathroom faucets. They're all from California Faucets. They're satin finish. Beautiful work, beautiful quality. So we really enjoy it. We worked with Tracy, the designer. We went through several iterations until he was able to draw what I had envisioned in my mind onto paper. And from there, we worked with Tracy to identify the material that I had in my head, the details in the material. So he was instrumental in helping us design and put the vision that I had in my head onto paper, and then from paper into the what you see here. So my project manager was Sana, the same project manager and crew actually. They performed the kitchen for us. Same crew. It's tremendous that Bullrun continues to maintain the same team, same quality of people, and I insisted on having the same team because I'm very familiar with them and the level of work, the cleanliness, the attention to detail, the attention that they paid to us and to my family to listen to areas of concern as they came about and for them to address it. So the team, the fact that the team has been with the same organization for this duration is important because it's familiar. I know the quality of work, so I hope that continues with them. I'm sure that going forward, I will continue to use Bullrun. I know that there is a project that I'm currently working on with them, and I'll, without hesitation, recommend Bullrun Kitchen and Bath. The next project that we have on the horizon is the refinishing of our stairs. I'm excited to get that project kicked off and continue to expand the relationship with them. Definitely A1 crew, highly recommended.